Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that works in 2019 and 20. Today we will start model number 1, website strategy for earnings that works. In this model have 5 lectures. First lecture is ready website for Black Hat method, powerful strategy. Today we will cover this lecture. So let's start. How you can know your website is ready or not ready for Black Hat work? This is website called flickover.com. Flickover. Here you can buy the group tools in cheap rate. You can check here, many tools are available in very cheap rate. So I have buy this Ahrefs tool from this site in 600 Indian rupees per month. So $10 per month. This is the access. Now I want to show you how you can know your website is ready or not ready for Google AdSense Black Hat technique. So now we open the google.com and type any keyword. For example, I have typed make money online. I have typed this keyword. Now you can notice here which website are ranking. This is the first website, Economic Time, and this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These 10 websites are rank on this keyword. So what we need now, we will check this website. For example, online income. I will check this website in Ahrefs. Ahrefs will be show this website how many keywords are ranked on Google AdSense. Google first page blog. I will copy the domain and I go to Ahrefs and paste here search data. Now Ahrefs show me how many articles and keywords are ranked from this website on first page. I will show you what is the benefit. This is the organic keywords. Here you can check 2.5k. 2500 keyword are organic keyword are ranked from this website. Now we need to check organic keywords and we check which keywords are ranked on first page. Here you can check online jobs without investment. This keyword from this website position 7. That means this keyword are ranked on 7 position. Here you can check this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number rank from this website, this keyword. So this website can work on Black Hat, because many keywords are ranked on Google from this website. This is the ready website for Black Hat method. You can check online jobs in India. This keyword rank position on 7. You can check now 7. And earn money online without investment for student. This keyword are rank on 5 to 1. 1 to 5 means that this keyword are movement. 1 to 5 first page 5 number are ranked this website on this keyword. So this is our first step. You need to create a website on any single keyword and you need to rank any one keyword. You can work on Black Hat. Single keyword you can start work on Black Hat. First you need to rank any keyword. Not important. You can you need to write articles on make money or other things. You can check which keyword are low competition, and you can start work on it. And I need only your website. We need watch here first page. If your website are ranking on first page, then you can send traffic on this keyword. For example, I write here make money online, and suppose this is your website on second position. Now what's our next strategy? We need to this keyword target and send traffic on this keyword, and tell him our website name is this one, and you need to search this keyword and go to Google, and first page you will be find our website name is this one, and now you need to enter our website from search engine. This is the first step. So that's called ready website for black hat technique. You need to rank any keyword on Google's first page. If your website are rank on Google, any article rank on Google, you can send traffic on it. Now you think how we can rank on first page. We don't know SEO. This is a simple method I will show you. You go to Google Trends. Now here I open Google Trend, and I will show you what are trending on now in this time, which articles, which keywords are ranked on this time. So you can cover these keyword on your article. For example, recently trending is Alexandra Grant 2000 searches, 200k searches of this keyword. So let's click on it, and you can check these articles are ranked on Google. Almost complete traffic coming from Google on this keyword. This is the keyword election 2019 Miami Jet, and these three articles are ranked on this keyword. So if your website is not ranked on Google, then you can write article on trending topic. You can write articles on trending topics. If you write article on this keyword, then your article may be ranked on Google. This article published before 12 hours, and searches you can check 100k searches of this keyword, and many articles are ranked on this keyword. So you can write content on trending topic. Any keyword you can target, and you need to write article. If you don't know how to write article, then I will suggest you simple way to write article on any keyword. For example, I have opened this article. Xi Jinping election day. This is the main keyword. Now it's going on trend, and we need to copy of this title, and I will show you how you can find ready-made content. Go to YouTube, and search this keyword here. Search on blog, and you need to find some short clip or short news. Go to filter and click on today. we need latest content. So for example, this is the CNN content. We don't need CNN content. We need local, any video you can get local. For example, this video you get. Now you need this video convert to text. This video you need to convert to speech to text. After that content text you can post on your website. This is the unique article. Your article will be rank on Google. So this is the first step. You need to create your website ready on Google, ready for black hat technique. So when your website is ready, you need to rank some keyword. Any keyword you can rank. You can rank trending topic keyword. You can rank any other topic keyword. You need to get position from 1 to 10 on Google. Any keyword you need to rank. First, this is the first step. Once your any keyword are rank on Google, after that you can use my black hat technique to send traffic on that keyword. The traffic will be go to your website from search engine. After that traffic are browse your content, read your content, and after that they click on your ads and you will earn on Google AdSense. This is my first step. So next we will cover second lecture. Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat course that work step by step, and we cover first lecture. Now today in this lecture we will cover how to find top keywords of your website for black hat. So yes, last video I have shown you how you can check which keywords are ranked on your website on Google. So now we need to check any other website. For example, I type here how to lose weight fast. You can add long tail keyword without exercise. How to lose weight fast without exercise. Now I enter and I will show you which website is ready for black hat technique to get paid traffic and clicks. For example, this website, thehealthy.com. I think this website have many articles rank on Google. So you can also rank your any keyword, long tail or short tail keyword. Only you need to rank on first page. This is not important you work on white hat or you work on black hat. Any method you want to use, only you need to rank any keyword on Google's first page from your website. This website I will show you how many keywords, organic keywords are ranked on Google. So now we enter this domain here on Ahref and search data, and now we need to check how many keywords are ranked from this website on Google. After that I will show you how you can get benefits from these organic keywords. Now you can check 482 organic keywords are ranked on Google. This is the best website. I think if this person doing some black hat technique, this person will be earn more than $5,000 from only Google AdSense. Now I check organic keywords, and we need to check keyword position on Ahref. This is the very good position, and these are keyword. The healthier position is 4, and healthy.com, this is the also website name, but this keyword are rank on number 4. And now you can check Healthy Digest magazine, this keyword movement first to 5, and many keywords are rank on Google. You can check here. So if your website getting any only two keywords are rank on Google, then you can send traffic on those keywords from Google, and you can work on black hat technique. This is the first step. You need to rank any keyword from your website. How to find a keyword to rank? You can find from this website. You can check how many keywords are ranked. This is the new keyword. For example, I will check here. This is the new keywords, and the position are 11, 30 and 22. This is the more far. We need keyword position on first page. So movement keyword, I check here. This is the movement keyword, and position is very long. These keywords are going to very far. If you don't know how to rank any keyword from your website, then I will suggest you easy way. A website, SEO clerks.com. This website, here you can check many freelancers are working in very cheap rate. These freelancers rank your website on first page on Google. They're getting some paid and they can work. If your website is already ranked on Google, if your website have some keywords first page on Google, then your website is ready to doing black hat technique for Google AdSense earning. If you are new user and you don't know how many keywords from my website are ranked on Google, you can check in ahref.com. This is a paid tool. Here you can check how many keywords from your website are ranked on Google. First step is that if you want to use black hat technique, then you need to rank some keyword on Google. If any one single keyword are ranked on Google, then you can use this black hat technique for works. And if you don't have any website, or if you don't have any AdSense account, then I will suggest you buy any Google AdSense account from Facebook. Many people are selling website with Google AdSense account, maybe $50 they will sell it. So you need to buy a Google AdSense account with website in $50. Once you buy this account, now you need to write some articles on trending topic. For example, any trending topic you can cover, and after writing article, you need to if you can rank on Google, this is better. If you can't rank your keywords on Google first page, then you come to here, SEOclerk.com. Here many people you will find, they are rank your website. You can check here, Google top 3 guaranteed September update 2019. This person guaranteed rank your website in 1 month, but the charge is very high. You can check here, will boost your ranking first page on Google, only $20. Check this person, only $20 you need to pay this person, and this person rank your website on any keyword on first page on Google. Maybe these people are doing some black hat technique, but no problem. Only we need only our website rank on Google's first page. Check here 2019, rank your website on Google and get money back. This is price only $35. Yani this person you need to pay only $35 and this person rank your website in Google's first page. So once your website going to first page on Google, after that you will use our black hat technique to send traffic and make money on Google AdSense. So this is the simple step. Next video we will cover next lecture. Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that work in 2019 and 20. Today we will cover lecture number 3, best topics to rank first page on Google. What is the best topic to rank first on Google? So you can check on Google. Here you can check Keyword Explorer, and here I type upcoming movies. I write 2020. It's best on Bollywood or Hollywood. Hollywood I will check which movies are comes on 2020. So here we need list for movies, which movies will be released on 2020. This is very simple step. So if you want to rank your website, I will suggest you simple topic. For example, this movie will become Godzilla versus Kong. This movie will become on 2020. Now if we check this keyword of this movie, what is the position or what is the searchage of this keyword? Search data. Oh, I think this is not Keyword Explorer. Here Keyword Explorer. I have searched there. This is, for example, this keyword Godzilla versus Kong. I type on Google and I use here United States. USA, US, search this movie. What is the search volume and how many competition? This movie search volume is 17K and clicks 5.3, and also these keywords you can check here. This tool is very powerful tool. This tool suggests you how you can work on this topic and how you can work. So here you can check questions. What questions public are search on Google or and Quora. Who win in Godzilla versus King Kong? Google when Godzilla coming out. These all question. If you write any question on if you write any content on these question, and if you are using these keyword on your article will be rank on Google first page rank on Google. Here you can check very low competition. These are very low competition keywords. Searches are okay. You can check search Godzilla vs Kong 17,000, and this is also now these all keywords you can check here, and you can check also here these all keywords, and here you can check these all question. You can cover any question to write article on this topic, and this article going to rank first page on Google. So you need to write any article, only we need to rank any keyword on Google, because we want to send traffic on that keyword to our website for clicks, for AdSense earning. Do not matter your website rank from black hat or white hat or any hat. Only we need to rank first page on Google. So this is my strategy. Last time I have worked on upcoming movies. For example, I write article Bad Boys for Life. This movie coming soon on 2020. But what I write article? I write article download Bad Boys for Life full movie in HD quality, something title I write, and I have write some article for which actors are working on this movie or something, and I have published this article on my website, and I have get backlinks from some biggest website. After that, my article are rank on Google. Once my article are rank and some organic traffic start to come to my website, after that I have sent some paid traffic of for my website for that keyword. Search that keyword and send I traffic, and that traffic clicks on ads. So now the question is, if you think if we work on movies download or something, then Google cannot approve over AdSense. My answer is, if you have already approved account from Google AdSense, then you can publish article on movies related content. You can publish, and you can also show ads on that website. For example, these all people are working on movies downloading or movies type website, and here you can check also they place Google AdSense ad on their website. So this is simple strategy. First you need to get approval from Google AdSense. Once Google AdSense approved your website, now you can publish movie article on your website. Why I tell you write article on movies niche? Because here upcoming movies not have much competition, but here many people are search these keyword, these movies on Google. Movie lovers are search that keywords on Google. And if you target these upcoming movies on your website, download link or something, download all song from Dolittle movie released on 2019, 2020, then people are come from this keyword to your website, and this is the organic traffic. We need only organic traffic from the Google. Once we get traffic from Google, organic ways, organic traffic from search engine, after that we can use our black hat technique to get more clicks and earn more money on Google AdSense. This is my third lecture. Next lecture we will cover referral traffic versus social media traffic. Welcome friends. Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that works in 2019 and 20. Today we will cover referral traffic and social traffic for clicks. What is the difference in referral traffic and social media traffic? First, we need to learn what is the social traffic and what is the referral traffic. For example, here I search how to weight loss. For example, I write this article, this keyword, and I will check some website. Here people are doing black backlink from this website. For example, this website have article, and you need to check in comment section. Maybe some people are get backlinks from here. These are question, but not any backlink. Here is not any comment backlink. This is also referral traffic from Quora. For example, this person asked what is the quickest way to lose without exercise, lose fat without exercise. Here you can check 100 plus people are answer, and maybe many people are getting backlinks from this website. I click here, continue reading. Here is not any backlink or any article. Here you can check. You want to make sure avoid these 5 common mistakes. Here this person keep the link of his website. If someone click on this link, they are redirect to his website. This is called referral traffic. This is the referral traffic. Google AdSense accept the referral traffic, but for click. Google AdSense, listen, Google AdSense accept referral traffic if they click on your ads. If social media traffic comes to your website and if they click on your website, Google maybe not accept that clicks on your Google AdSense account. This is my practical experience. Before I have work, what I am doing, I have shared some articles on Pinterest, on Facebook and Twitter. I have shared my website article link. Okay. After that, some people coming to click from social media to my website, and I noticed that they people are click on my ad, Google not accept that click. Yani some clicks Google accept, but some clicks Google not accept, because that is called social media traffic. Google like only that people who comes to your website from search engine. This is the first traffic, that's called search engine traffic. If people are coming to your website from search engine, that is very good traffic according to Google. And the second thing, if people are coming from referral traffic, for example, this is Quora, and also you can check many websites, people are comment and they get backlink from that website, and this is the referral traffic. Google also allow referral traffic to your website. But third traffic called social media traffic. Social media traffic is allowed to go your website and browse article, read articles and click on ads, but you cannot get more clicks from social media traffic, because that clicks Google not accept. If Google accept, then you will face ad limit problem on your Google AdSense account. So I suggest you, if you want to work on black hat technique for get clicks to buy clicks for earning, then must send traffic from search engine only. If you send traffic from search engine, then people are coming to your website from search engine. After that, they click on your ads, that clicks are accept on Google AdSense. If people are coming from social media or referral traffic, this some click are accept and some click may be not accept. So how to send traffic from search engine? First lecture I have teach you. You need to rank any one keyword on Google. You need to rank only one or two keyword on Google. If you getting real traffic from search engine with that keyword, then you can send paid traffic from search engine to your website. This is the strategy called traffic strategy. 3 type of traffic in the world. First is search engine SEO traffic, search engine traffic. Second called social media traffic, and third called referral traffic. Google AdSense allow all traffic, but if you send some fake traffic for click, then you need to send by Google only. I think you understand what I want to say. So we will cover next lecture.